Hey all, hope you are good. In today's video, we are going to talk about DAG versioning. So let's see in Airflow whether DAG versioning is possible or not. So let's go back to our Airflow UI. So I have a simple DAG whose name is demo DAG version. So here only you can, so if you go to the code view, you can see I've just imported the necessary libraries, created the default tasks, and created an empty DAG with no task inside it. So let's add the task one by one. So this is the same code that I've opened. So let's code. So what I will do, I will just create an task with dummy operator and give the task ID as task underscore 1, and let's write task underscore 1. So let's see after saving how our Airflow UI looks like. So here you can see the task 1 is present. Let's unpause our DAG and click on auto refresh. Since catch-up is false, so the DAG will not run for the past runs. Now let's see add another task. Give it a name as task 2, and here let's add dependency using such that the task 2 runs after task 1, and click on save. So here you can see the task 2 is added below task 1, and if we look in the graph view, you can see these two tasks are present in sequence. And let's execute our DAG and click on auto refresh. Let's go back and let's open again. So here you can see the two run of this DAG demo DAG version. Here you can see now this time the history of task 2 is present, and for earlier run, since task 2 was not present, here comes the empty, so it does not contain information about any task 2. So let's add another task with name task 3, and let's add the dependency and click on save. So here you can see we are adding task one by one below it, and similarly you can see task 3 status is present in the latest run, but status of task 3 is absent in second run and the first run. Now let's do one thing. Let's change the dummy operator to bash operator. Let's do and make the changes in the same DAG. Okay. And here just add command bash command one, two, three. Let's add this in each of the tasks. Okay, and click on save, and let's see what changes is being done in the UI. Okay, so let's go to the graph view, or let's go to the code view. Here you can see dummy operator got changed into bash operator, and now let's run our DAG. Let's refresh the page to see if one more run is present or not. Okay, so here you can see the history of the fourth run is being present here, and from graph view you can see the task 1, task 2, and task 3 which runs in sequence all are accessed. So coming back to the question whether we can maintain the DAG versioning or not. So by Airflow does not provide this flexibility, or you can say this functionality, to maintain the code versioning. But how? What's the alternative? So we can maintain the DAG version using any of the version control systems such as Git or any other software, or you can say in Bitbucket. Let's discuss what are the other ways in order to maintain the code. First, we discussed about using version control. Second, we are going to use or add versions in our DAG ID. So we can use DAG ID underscore version. Then we can, if we are creating the second version of the code, we can add change v1 to v2. Third, what we can do, we can document whatever changes we are doing in our code somewhere at some central place where each one can refer to. So hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned.